Welcome to CCNP Collaboration tutorials by MindVen. In this tutorial, we will look at how to convert UCM non-bootable image to bootable. Let's jump in. First, search for CDR Tools program in google.com. Click on the link to CDR Tools download website. Click on Download link. Download version 1.5 setup file. Once the file download is complete, right-click on the file and choose Run as Administrator. Click OK to English language. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose Installation Destination. C Program Files is fine, click Next. Leave Components selection as default and click Next. Click Next to create Start Menu folder and Next again to create desktop shortcut for the application. Finally, click Install. We will run the program later, click Finish. Now we are going to extract the downloaded non-bootable ISO file. We will use 7-zip application to do that. Right-click on the ISO file, choose 7-zip, then extract to UCS install. Once it's done, click on the extracted folder, then ISO Linux folder and copy the ISO Linux.bin file. Paste the ISO Linux.bin file on the main ISO folder directory. Now run the CDR Tools application. Click Options, Browse, and enter the ISO file name, then click Save. Check on Create Image Only, do not burn. In writing mode, choose Disk at once and click OK. Click on File System Settings. In Boot Disk Options, choose Create Boot Disk. Check on No Disk Emulation and create Boot Info table. Click Browse. Choose the ISO Linux.bin file and click Open. Click OK. Now we will copy all files to the CDR Tools disk. Click Start. When everything is ready, message appears. Click OK to start the writing process. Once execution is completed, the bootable ISO image will be ready for UCM installation. On the next section, we will go through the UCM installation process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on IT tutorials.